Shalom, shalom, which also means peace in Hebrew. The word for goodbye is להתראות. 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 The word for thank you is תודה. 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 And thank you very much will be תודה רבה. תודה רבה. תודה רבה. The word בבקשה has two meanings. One is please, and the other one, you're welcome. בבקשה. בבקשה. So when you ask for something, you will end with בבקשה. And when you will say thank you, the reply will also be בבקשה. The word for or is או. 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 So if you want to say a dog or a cat, you will say כלב או חתול. The word for then is אז. 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 The word for also is גם. 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 To say and something, you will add v to the something that you're adding. So to say a dog and a cat, you will say כלב וחתול. To wish someone good luck, you will say בהצלחה. 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 To say good morning, you will say בוקר טוב. בוקר, morning, טוב, good. בוקר טוב. To say good evening, you will say ערב טוב. ערב טוב. ערב טוב. And good night is לילה טוב. לילה טוב. לילה טוב. The word for tomorrow is מחר. 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 The word for yesterday is אתמול. 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 The word for now is עכשיו.